Closing switch closes the power to the track. I have noticed that these switches are loose, and sometimes it comes loose enough for the train to derail. It doesn't have enough spring tension to keep it closed. And that's a problem. Also, my GP9 tends to derail on that switch for some reason. I'll show you. I removed the trip pins, thinking the coupler pins, thinking it might be that, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. So yeah, get the GP9 onto the track. Yeah, this GP9 came with a DCC decoder. Who knew? So here's the GP9. It is address number 2. Okay. Let's back her up. Go forward. That time I went through the switch smoothly. Let's let it go around. I installed a DCC decoder into both the locomotives, the Amtrak locomotives there, and those things are not fun to take apart. See what makes it fit switch? It did. Good. Yeah, those engines were not fun to take apart. Right. Yep, see the locomotive derailed on the switch. We kill the power just to make sure we don't cause any shorts. But yeah, it derailed. I think it'd be less of a derailing problem if I had more straight going into the switch. But then I would have less track for the yard. So so 2. I don't think this thing's back on the track yet. There's 2. There we go. Let's reverse that engine. You'll notice that the steam engine has something that the diesels don't have, and that's a sound decoder. And then just ran off the edge of the track. I'm still getting used to controls here. Oh well.